Okay, hi guys, my name's 100 Pony Gaming. Basically, oh man, I wonder who's my... I'm very scared. Oh no, maybe the guy would... He's lagging. Who is it? Oh, I hear the bird made a move. Oh no. Guys, I'm very scared. This bear shoot the wrong person. Now I'm the sheriff now. Oh no. No. I did not mean to do that. What the heck? Yellow skin. Don't be racist, please. I don't want people racist. Yeah. Alright then. What's the next round? Guys, I got my skill. Yeah, skill. I got my skill. Guys, I legit got my skill back in Murder Mystery. Oh, who joined? Ash. Ash from Pallet Town. Ella. Yeah, they're both the same. Boy, yeah, girl, I don't know. Yo, ladies. Oh, sorry, I don't want to kiss your face. That will be like. Alright, lick my ice cream instead. That's Nicholas. Say, oh, man. Better? Oh, no, it's not. Don't tell me it's them. I'm gonna spy. Okay. Go downstairs. I mean, go upstairs, not go downstairs. Oh, no, I don't want to get stuck in the wall. Getting stuck in the wall again. Oh. The round just ended. Bruh. Oh, you're glitching everywhere. Are you okay? Oh, who's guest? Special, what happened to you? Jake the Dragon and you actually flamed. Trade me. Numberless Comic Boy. That's a good username, to be honest. Yes. If I'm murdered, I will kill everyone. Yes, Lily Gamer. Who friend request me? What can I trade for those? What those? Trade cool noob. What cool noob? Pip is my brother. What Pip? Oh, let me check the server. Yes! I knew I want to be murdered. Yeah, okay. Alright, who we are going to get us? I mean, who are we going to get first? We're going to get this girl! Oh man, I know the hiding spots. Yes, first kill. Alright then. I don't want to use my X-ray. Yay! Oh my gosh! She's like, move! God. No. Yep. You. Boom! Wait a minute. Too late. Yeah. Yes. I got my skill back, guys. Yes. Using basically X-ray is the best deal ever. Guess I want. Okay, can I have Ice Dragon? Yes. What? Free knife? It's okay. People, I don't want you to take my Nightblade away because Finder's Keepers. That's me. I mean mine, not mean. Who owned this Nightblade? Me. Who owned all of the pack? Actually, who owned, like, all of the items? Me. Whatever knife that I gave you, it's owned by me. Okay. I will give you Robux. Robux! Oh no. Guys. Scammer. What the heck? Oh, you. Murder. Nobody cares about my win? Yeah, that was like before. Oh, hello there. Oh, hello, Jake. The dragon. You're innocent. Okay. Oh, who is it? She's sheriff. Yeah, she is sheriff. You're welcome. Who got gun? Her. She's not the murderer. Okay, she's looking for the murderer. You're staring at us. That's a stupid thing. And very creepy. You! Oh. I just saw you. Oh, he is. Not a she. I'm not going to go. Let me check who is the murderer, because the murderer is going to hide with his knife on, basically, to be honest. Okay. It might be her! Oh, it might be her! Yes, go through that door. I'm going to trick that girl to go through this door. Wait for it. Nothing? Her? The murderer has been disqualified. No. I gotta get this straight. Oh, the girl. Oh, let's go. Oh gosh. Oh man, you want me? Shoot! Get my gun! Yes! Noob win! Because I just sacrificed myself. Dude. Smile. Alrighty then. I live. Good for you. I sacrificed. Oh, what happened? What the heck? I lived. Good for you. Because I sacrificed myself to get somewhere. Can I have gun, please? Really? I live. Can I get it now? Can I get now? Or get it now? Stop begging. Yeah, you're going to beg all day. You're going to beg all day, girl. Alright, guys, we're innocent. Alrighty then, let's start around. Oh, yes. I smell murder. I smell sheriff. Around here. Oh, I hear first stab. Oh no. It's coming from the bathroom. It's like, oof! Like, that's a death sound. Oof. Right here? That'll be bad luck. Oh, no. You? No. No, you? It can't be him, because he has a doge effect. Because it's a default! Oh no, it's a default! Let me check the bathrooms for a sec. Checky. No? No one here? Someone with me? Nothing to see here. I have nothing. I promise it's not a scam. No one following me. Someone's following me. They have footsteps in their mirror. No? No? You're not following me? Oh, you think... Girl, are you... Hello. You like cheese? Throw down the bomb. Okay. You. I'm watching. Pony's always watching. Okay. The girl thinks that's my... Oh no 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 no! She's like, she's got okay. She's following my footsteps. That's not good. Should I trust her? Okay, there's a lot of dead bodies. I don't know. Someone crashed the party at here. Who is it? Her? Blondie? Don't know. Where's the gun for some reason? No! 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 Oh man. Oh! Oh! Oh gosh. Oh god. That scared me. That girl saved me. I thought she Brittany. Brittany, I thought you for a second you were in a murder. Who was the sheriff? I see no gun for some reason. Oh. Where was his dead body then? Alrighty then. Basically. Next round. Okay. Guys. Yeah. After one round, we're going to end the video. Hi. Hi. Say something. Can I have God? Stop begging! There's a lot of begging in this server. I'm glad that no one's begging for my Nightblade, because I'm going to keep it forever. Trust me. Seriously. If someone's going to beg me? Yes, innocent. I'll show you my trolling skills, okay? It's your something. Oh no, okay? I know what he means. It's your knife. Oh no, okay? Now, he gone. What the heck? Like, 100% I see people with, like, huge wings. Yeah. Not me. I'm not wearing my nature outfit because I'm gonna get found with big wings. Okay. The man might be outside because, tell me, okay, I thought somebody was beside me for a second. It was a coin. Darn me. Fly not joking. I'm serious. I'll give you a Narrow Dragon, and after I'll give you a Slayer in Winter Edge. Are you sure about that? Come on, make him. Oh no, I hear like a burn stab. Oh no, it's a knightly stab. I'm going to. Coming from inside, tell me. Alright. Alright, I'm going outside. I'm going to join the party. I'm not married though. Yeah, I trust you. The mayor might be going outside. Please and thank you. I'm going inside. Tell me. Oh no, I fell down the ground. I don't want to glitch and through the ground. The mayor finds me, throw the knife, and then do. It's a person. It's a person who has the. Who is it? Who is it? Who was it? Who was it? Who was it? Special! You! What do you have? You have a... Oh my gosh. Alright then, it's time to leave the game. Bye guys. Have a good time. Bye.